We out. Ooh, I think that pad, out of all the things I've ever put down, is the nicest pad that I've ever used.
Yeah.
I don't think it would have came out that nice if I didn't have that pad.
Good girl.
Yeah, bigger, stronger clamps in there, but figure for what it is.
Stay. Yeah, I can hold it too, so. Yeah, so I thought he was gonna be on the other side.
Ooh.
Yeah, I almost dropped you guys. You almost fell in the cement. But now we have this piece. It's got like a double, I don't know. It's not even that great, but it's kind of cool. It's something. Something.
Feel good?
Yeah, it does. This is rough, but I know it's gonna spit the back. Yeah. And it's at the wall part, so you won't feel it. No, it feels nice. Looks nice. Good job.
Yeah. Crazy to think we'll be out of here in less than 48 hours.
True.
Let's pop it.
Let's pop it. Alright. Ta-da! Now it just has to dry for 24 hours. The floor looks really nice too. Ended on a cute goose. Good night, Lucy. You know you're gonna go to bed with us. We're not going to bed actually. We have to harvest. Good morning, you guys. It's Sunday. It's 10 o'clock. About 24 hours, probably a little less than that, I will be on the road with my cats. And speaking of my cats, so I came in this morning to check on the stain and everything to see how it was doing. We're crickets. I don't know what's happening. And a cat was in here. Those are little kitty paw prints. There's one right there, and those several right there. So it was him. It was him. It was a Puma Luma. Yeah, did you walk on the nice stained floor and then try and jump in the windows? Huh? Yeah, is your father gonna be very mad at you? Yeah, look at those paws. Look at these stained paws. Huh? I think it's super cute to have little paw prints everywhere, but Kevin and the new, like, homeowner may not think so. So, yeah. Really, I don't know, with magic eraser, paint over it, I don't. Not what we needed, Puma Luma. And I can't even check the other rooms, so. But here's our butcher block. I really like the way this turned out. I'm going to make my second to last iced coffee for who knows how long. Like, I'm blue. I just realized I gotta change the setting. That's okay. We'll be blue for this shot. That's pretty much planned for. I don't know what we're doing for dinner. Probably ordering pizza again. We had so much pizza. So much pizza. So his cousin and aunt came over the other day just to check out the house, and they brought pizza, and his cousin, hi Kira if you're watching, she is lactose intolerant, and so she placed an online order. She ordered herself a salad since she can't eat the pizza because it's the cheese, and well, for one, she put no, you know, cheese, ham, whatever she doesn't like on the antipasta salad. They put everything on it, you know, just didn't regard that there's no nothing, you know, basically she just wanted lettuce and ham. But then we got a cheese bread, and she must have accidentally hit no cheese. Like, I'm thinking self-consciously, you know, she's like, I can't have cheese, so she put no cheese. And so we just had a baked piece of bread that had like a garlic butter on it, because that's what they put on their cheese bread at Green Lantern. I don't know if I mentioned that. We went to Green Lantern. Well, they brought Green Lantern, but actually, just their bread alone, dip it in some sauce or even by itself. Definitely, they have a delicious bread, because that by itself, we actually ate it all. And I was originally just gonna melt some cheese on it, but it was good enough by itself without the cheese. Fun fact, I don't know why I had to share that with you guys, so yeah. Hey, you clean your filthy paws. Huh? Because you're a filthy boy. Yeah. Your father is going to wring this little neck. Look at these paws. Cute little gig, yeah. It's blue down here, Belly. I love him. He is going to be 11 this year, in June. My baby mangoon. And then, so, there's one cat carrier, two cat carriers. Here's his palace. It's freaking huge. Anyway, so all of this is going to somehow go, not that mop bucket, in the bed of my truck. I need to go, I gotta try and not get stuff in the background. We need to go to the store. I need to get magic erasers, contractor bags, like really thick, basically like garbage bags, so I can put all these bags inside bags to put in the bed of my truck, because it might rain and I really don't want to get all my stuff wet. And I don't have any other way to transport it, because I just have a little truck, pickup truck. And we've just been doing some finishing touches around the house. Kevin's been on the phone for like 3 hours. It's just, I have this horrible headache. I don't know if it's about to be a migraine. I'm just feeling a little overwhelmed, because it's happening so fast, and in like 20 hours we'll be up north out of this house. Alright, so no matter where I go down here, there's the devil's lettuce. But so change of plans. Couldn't get carpet. True, Plum. True. We couldn't get carpet. Carpet. I don't know what's true. You wanna know why? Do you wanna know why? Huh? Let's see, at Home Depot their machine was broken. So that didn't happen. And then at Lowe's, they didn't have any decent, reasonably priced carpet available for the size that we needed, so. Bang! Oh, I jumped. You probably can see it in the camera. I jumped back. He is nailing down this little trim right here, so that's a little bit more complete still, because I forgot to get magic erasers and contractor bags at the store. So I'm gonna try and get that off some other way. Your culprit. Yours. Yeah, he thinks those juices are gonna stop you. It's lemonade, but still, that lemonade's not gonna stop you. Yeah, you're okay. I know. Is that loud for you? Oh yeah, when I need a tummy rub. Probably not going to capture it for one limited amount of time and memory and everything, but going to paint this white. He's putting up the white border right there. There's going to be one going on this side. And the trim in this corner, you can see like where there's tape holding that up. It's going to be like a little metal edging. And sanding and painting the sides of the wall. I'm so confused.
Hey, that was funny to watch. That was like Down syndrome times 2. Oh, you're fine. That one, you couldn't get it in the hole. I was watching you as a cardboard slot. Don't come at me like it was a filter. You should have fucking...
I banked this off.
I know, I'm just saying I didn't even think about it. I would have bought another one that was fucked up.
Hey! You broke the barricade, man! You hopped it!
Need a better barricade.
You hopped it!
Come on, go lay down.
Goose! Oh,
Go lay down.
now you knocked it over, Lucille.
Lucy, go lay down.
Come on, Goose. New barricade.
Oh shit. Almost dropped it right in there. Grab that. Oh, got my shorts. Oh shit. Now they're paint shorts.
I thought they were. It's Monday. It's moving day. He's in the lunch shower. My hair and morning hair. Sleeping little bits.